With Amazon Alexa in your Acura, you can control features in your car or your connected home with just the power of your voice. Alexa connectivity will require an active Amazon account, as well as an internet connection. You can use the vehicle data plan in your Acura or use your mobile device as a hotspot. To set up Alexa in your vehicle, select Alexa on the touchscreen, then read and accept the disclaimer. Then select Get Started. You will then need to sign into your Amazon account. You can do so using your web browser on your phone, or you can scan the QR code on the screen. Sign into your account on your mobile device and register your Acura to your Amazon account. When successful, the touchscreen will show that your vehicle is now registered to your account. Select the checkbox to ensure that your vehicle remains signed into your Alexa account. You can always sign out later if you wish. Then select Continue. Now you can choose to set Alexa as your default voice assistant. If you do this, pressing the voice button on the steering wheel or simply saying Alexa will let you use the Alexa voice assistant. If you choose not to, then you will need to select Alexa on the touchscreen to use the voice assistant. Once you're set up, select Get Started. You can then choose to allow Alexa to upload your contacts to the cloud to enable Alexa commanded calls. You're now ready to use Alexa to play music, make phone calls, or reorder your favorite breakfast bars from Amazon. If you want to adjust the settings for Alexa, select Alexa, then the menu icon. Here, you can do things like turn off the Alexa hands-free feature, change the default voice assistant, or change notifications and tones. Finally, to sign out of your Amazon account, simply go to the Alexa menu. This is an important step to remember should you ever decide to sell your Acura, which of course you would never think of. Your Acura plus Alexa make a perfect pair. For more information about all the great technologies that help make Acura vehicles so advanced, make your way to the Acura Info Center at acurainfocenter.com.